Hello friends, and welcome back to our tutorial video. In our previous lesson, I might mention that we're going to discuss about various ways you can launch Microsoft Office application. So let's start with this. This is our desktop area, the first environment you meet after your system finished booting successfully. So in the desktop area, the major thing that you find there is your desktop and your taskbar. In your desktop area, you have various icons. I know icons are pictorial representation of a program. Okay, so in this particular environment here, this is my desktop background and this is the desktop. Okay, this is the taskbar and these ones are icons. This is a folder, this is an icon for TikTok, then Pixabay, PDF. So we have different icons here. So what we want now is for Microsoft Office Word. You see with a very big W, this one. So this is Microsoft Word 2010. For you to launch it, that's for you to open it, you just double click on it, like double click on it. Now this is the window. The other way to do this is to right click on it, then you click on open in the option. You know right click is for options. So you right click on it, right click and click on open. It will open a new application window. When you minimize, you have this, your desktop. You can move, you can hover around your icons using your arrow keys, that's the navigation keys. So you can just go straight to Microsoft Word and press enter, it will launch it. So the other way to do this, let me close all these windows. So the other way to do this, I don't want to save. You go straight to your taskbar. Some of the apps that you frequently like using, you can pin them to the taskbar for easy access. So you can just go straight to here, then you just left click, just a single click on it, it will launch the application. This is the second method you can use to open Microsoft Office application. Then the third one is you can just go to your startup menu. This is your startup menu, this is window 10. So when the application is on the startup menu, what you need to do is to go to the application, be conversant with the icons. Okay, just try to understand. Anywhere you see Microsoft Word icon, you should know that this is for Microsoft Word. If this is PowerPoint, you know this is for PowerPoint. If this CorelDRAW, you know this is CorelDRAW. If this Photoshop, you know this is Photoshop. If there's another, you know this is just like how you identify WhatsApp and Facebook very easily. Okay, so you can just go to your startup menu by clicking your startup button. That's the start button. Then your startup menu appear. Then if you have it in the startup menu, you just click on it, it will launch. Just a single click, it will launch. So you have it up here. Another way to do this is by clicking your start button, then you go to your applications, all applications. Then you can scroll down. You know Microsoft Word is an application inside the Microsoft Office suite. So we have range of like different softwares that are also part of Microsoft Office suite. So we're going to see some of them and their icons here. So when you scroll down to Microsoft Office, you have different softwares here on the Microsoft Office. We have Access. I know you've been using Access, right? Then we have Excel. This one's one of the most popular used softwares. We have this Picture Manager. All these ones here are part of what Microsoft Office suite. So what we're looking for is Microsoft Word. If you can identify them here, you know all these ones have their own different icons, so that users will find it easy to identify the software they're looking for. So what we're looking for is here, Microsoft Word 2010. You click on it, just a left click on it, it will launch. Okay, so you have it done like that. The last method is a little bit sensitive, so you just pay attention. What you need to do is to press your Window and E button, then you go to your C drive, that's your hard disk. So you open it by double clicking on it or just right clicking, and you have the options, right? Then you click on open. So having this environment, the first thing you need to do is to navigate straight to program files here, x86. So open it. So you see all the softwares you installed in your system, they will have a folder here. So the one we're interested on is Microsoft Office. So we'll navigate to Microsoft Office. So you have different folders like Clip Arts, Documents in 14, Media, Office, Office 14, Stationery, Templates. But what you need to go for is Office 14. So we open it and we are going to look for the icon you see, winword.execution. That's winword.exe. So for us to see that, you scroll down. W should be at the restroom end. So you scroll down to W and we have winword.exe. So we can just right click on it and click on open, or double click on it, it will open. So if you encounter difficulties while trying to follow these simple steps, don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section, or you send me a private message. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.